All right, Jeff's setting up. He's gonna dive that building. Right?
Let's do it.
You nervous?
Nope, let's do it. I'm a G.
He's a G. He's a FPV G. And I have the utmost confidence in him and his FPV abilities. And you can cross the street anytime, it's wide open. Make sure you're recording. You recording? Yep. Okay. All right, wait. And go. Go, 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 go. It was a wheelie, but it wasn't wet. We don't want to share bodily fluids during this time.
Okay.
Right?
What?
It's the same dude, right?
Yeah. So what was it? Are you gonna stop breathing there? You gonna stop having sex? No.
Are you coming back down?
Yeah. Shake.
Come down slowly then.
That was an awesome quick video with Ken. So we just did a building dive of the BOA building. It was super fun. So I am Jeff with SSH Drones, and I'm signing off.